Get your free trial of our training for lawyers at www.teachucomp.com/lawyers.
After you initially create your company file, you should review the chart of accounts to add, edit, or remove any accounts as needed. Please review the lesson, The Chart of Accounts, in Chapter 3 of the Introductory QuickBooks Manual if you need assistance in adding, editing, and deleting accounts within the chart of accounts. Before you make any changes, however, you should inspect the default chart of accounts provided by QuickBooks so that you can see what changes you would like to make. Note that by default, QuickBooks doesn't display account numbers to the accounts that it creates. If you would like to assign account numbers, you can enable that feature within the Preferences window in QuickBooks. To do this, select Edit and then Preferences from the menu bar to open the Preferences window. Next, click the Accounting category shown in the list at the left side of the window. Then click the Company Preferences tab to the right. You can then click the checkbox that states Use Account Numbers to enable account numbering within QuickBooks. You must then click the OK button to the right in order to apply the changes to your company file. You can use up to 7 digits within your account numbers, although by default you receive 5-digit account numbers. QuickBooks uses the following standard numbering convention that you should adhere to when creating new accounts. 10,000 to 20,000 are your assets, starting with 20,000 up to 29,999, you have your liabilities. 30,000 up to 40,000 is your equity. 40,000 up to 50,000 is your income. 50,000 up to 60,000 would be your expenses, cost of goods sold. 60,000 up to 70,000 are expenses that are non-cost of goods sold. 70,000 to 80,000 is other income. 80,000 to 90,000 is other expenses, and 90,000 to 99,999 would be your non-posting accounts. Now also note that you may need to add additional accounts for trust management into your chart of accounts within QuickBooks. QuickBooks gives you an asset account named Client Trust Account into which you can place these funds. You can also use sub-accounts to separate the individual trust accounts held. If managing trusts, you should review chapters 30, 31, and 32 within this manual.
Like what you see? Get your free trial of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/lawyers.